We are joined by author and cultural educator, Anyakola Anyanwuyi. Hello, you're welcome. Thank you very much. I knew that I might have gotten that wrong, but it's a very interesting name, first off, Anyanwuyi.
Yeah, Anyanwuyi.
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 Anyanwuyi is a very cultural...
Yeah, name. It's the Anya there is the prefix for everybody who come from the ancestral lineage of Idroma. Okay. That is Anyagalu. Is an Orisha in Yoruba land itself.
That's a beautiful name. Yeah, let's talk about Isese Day, what exactly it is to the Yoruba culture, first off.
Yeah, Isese means, when we are talking about the etymology, means Ishe, which means our source, where we come from. And when we want to talk about this, we have to go back to Ifa, because Ifa is the compendium of Yoruba wisdom. There is science, medicine, there is divination, geography, and a lot of things in Ifa. Ifa is all encompassing. Ifa is a database that contains all the information of the Mother Earth. So there is an Odu in Ifa that talks about Isese, and it's kind of popular. That is Odu Ogunderi, that is Ogundaloton, Onwarinlosi.
I really wanted to go deep in and ask what the day entails, the celebration of this day on August 20th. If you can do that in 30 seconds, I'd really appreciate it. How exactly is the day celebrated? Are there any rituals, or what exactly happens?
Yeah, it's a celebration, you know, just like the Christians, they have Christmas Day. So it's a day for them to rest, to rejoice, and importantly, because there's a lot of long-time suppression of Yoruba indigenous practices. So it's a day to reinforce the presence among our people, to create the awareness so that people know who they are. Because when we detach ourselves from Isese, which is our source, we lose our identity and what makes us a distinct human, you know, in the world.
Well, author and cultural educator here, Anyakola Anyanwuyi. I want to say thank you very much for joining us and giving us this clarification.
Yeah, I'm happy.